Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to share your Google Ads account with an admin. This is incredibly useful when you need to collaborate with team members or bring in someone to help manage your advertising campaigns without giving away your login credentials. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to ads.google.com. Once you're there, log into your Google Ads account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your Google Ads dashboard, which is your central hub for managing all your advertising activities. From here, direct your attention to the left navigation menu where you'll find various options for managing your account. Locate and click on the Admin option. This section houses all the administrative controls and settings you'll need to manage users and account access. Once you click on Admin, the menu will expand to reveal several additional options. Take a moment to scan through these and look for the option labeled Access and Security. This is where Google Ads allows you to control who has access to your account and at what level. Click on Access and Security to proceed to the next stage of the process. Now, you'll see a comprehensive list displaying all the admins and users currently associated with your Google Ads account. This gives you a clear overview of who has access and what permissions they hold. To share admin account access with someone new, look toward the top of this page where you'll find a blue plus button. This button is typically positioned near the header section. Click on this blue plus button to initiate the invitation process. After clicking the blue plus button, you'll be directed to the invitation page. This is the crucial step where you'll actually invite and share admin account access with the person you have in mind. Start by entering the email address of the admin you wish to grant access to. Make sure you type this carefully to avoid sending the invitation to the wrong person. Next, you'll need to set the access level, and this is done through radio button options that appear on the screen. Since you want to share full admin access, make sure to choose the admin level access option. This ensures the person will have comprehensive control over your Google Ads account, allowing them to make changes, create campaigns, and manage billing. Once you've entered the email address and selected the appropriate access level, scroll down the page until you find the Send Invitation button. Click on it to finalize the process. An email invitation will be sent to the email address you provided, and the recipient simply needs to accept it to gain access to your Google Ads account. And that's it. You've successfully shared your Google Ads account with an admin, making collaboration seamless and efficient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.